New study tonight on sneezing and the virus. Can particles from one sneeze travel up to 27 feet? Here's Steve Osunsami.
The new warning tonight is coming from scientists who are studying the human sneeze, and they found that under clinical conditions, the little droplets potentially carrying the coronavirus, seen here with this ultra-high-speed camera, can fly up to 27 feet at speeds between 33 and 100 feet per second. A cough is only a little better, between 6 and 19 feet. For these and other reasons, the researcher writes that the wearing of appropriate personal protection equipment is vitally important for healthcare workers, even if they are farther than 6 feet away from a patient.
That would strongly suggest that healthcare workers should have high-grade respirators.
But in the last 24 hours, Dr. Anthony Fauci has been urging caution about these findings, saying that the recommendation for Americans to keep up 6 feet of physical distancing is still enough.
So if you go way back and go, achoo, and go like that, you might get 27 feet. But so when you see somebody do that, get out of the way.
There are some people
but that's not practical.
It is well known that this disease spreads up close, person to person. Health officials point to a Washington state choir practice where no one shook hands. 45 people were infected and 2 singers died.
It can just happen. That's scary.
All of this is strengthening the argument that more Americans should be wearing face coverings in public to slow the spread of this disease. David?
All right, we're hearing that. Steve, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.